Welcome to Learning Chinese with Juan. In my last videos, we learned about the consonants, vowels, overall recognition syllables, and tones. Today, let's put them into practice. Let's get to learn some pinyin with tones and understand what they mean. Let's get started. U, O, wo, wo, and which tone? Third, yes. So it's a falling rising tone. 我means I, me. N, I, ni, which tone? Third. It's a falling rising tone again. So it's ni means you. T, a, which tone? First tone, right? It's a, t, a, ta, means he. So with the same pronunciation for he, if the characters are different, it means a different he. It could be she and it, but the characters look different. But don't worry about it. We remember the pronunciation of this pinyin here first. Ta, t, a, ta, t, a, ta. So let's do it one more time. 我 u o 我 n i ni t a ta right, so we learned 我 你 他 and now let's learn these two words. 西 i xi, which tone? Third, so it's a falling rising tone. I, remember? Xi, so it's xi. He, u, an, huān, an, huān. So an is the pre-nasal vowel, right? U is the vowel, the single vowel. This is a special one. They can be spelled together. He, u, an, huān. Xi, huān, xi, huān, xi, huān, xi, huān means like. 喜欢 like. So if we want to make a simple sentence with the characters we just learned, we can make a sentence like 我喜欢你我喜欢你 What does it mean? It means I like you, right? 我喜欢你 Correct. 我喜欢你 So what about I like him? 我喜欢他我喜欢他我喜欢他 That means I like him. Right. So what about this one? 韵 Do you remember the overall recognition syllables? There is one that's 韵, right? So with a fourth tone, it's a falling tone. 韵 And this is also a fourth tone. The, om, fourth tone. The, on, dong, dong, dong. So it's fourth tone, so it's the, on, dong, dong. So it's 运动, 运动, correct. 运动. This means sports. 运动, 运动, 运动. Great. What do we say? I like sports. 我喜欢运动。我喜欢运动。你喜欢运动。That means you like sports. We can also say he likes sports. 他喜欢运动。他喜欢运动。我喜欢运动。他喜欢运动。你喜欢运动。Okay, great. Let's review and pronounce one more time together. 我你呢你他喜欢欢喜欢运的动运动。我喜欢运动。你喜欢运动。他喜欢运动。我喜欢你。我喜欢他。你喜欢他。他喜欢运动。Okay, I hope that you guys understand the meaning of these characters and know how to say it. Next time when you can practice with your friends, with your families, and teach them how to say it. And you're certainly very welcome to leave me comments and tell me about how you think of it. I hope it's with a lot of repetition and a lot of accumulation over the time, you will be able to grasp some simple Chinese in your daily life. So I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.